Here's how you can get started on FFL Safe easily and in minutes. First, you'll need an account. Head over to fflsafe.com and create an account here on our sign up page. Enter the email you want associated with your account as well as your name. Then, click Sign Up. After a few minutes, you'll receive an email with a temporary password. If you don't see it, be sure to check spam or other filters. Log in with your email and this temporary password to finish setting up your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your FFL number and business name. You need this to get started with FFL Safe, and if you don't have it, no worries. Just come back later when you do. Next, let FFL Safe know if you use TTSNs. We generally do not recommend using TTSNs, and if you aren't sure what they are, select No. Finally, select your time zone, and you're good to start. Click Confirm, and you'll be brought to the FFL Safe dashboard. That's it, you're now set up within FFL Safe. Because you have not had any transactions yet, this dashboard is empty. You can start by acquiring your first firearm here, but be sure to watch our quick tutorial video on that first. So we can show you around FFL Safe, here's an example account that has already been in business for a while and done many transactions. Here, you'll be able to find at a glance firearms that you have recently acquired, firearms that you've recently disposed, as well as the ability to acquire or dispose firearms. On the dashboard, you can also quickly access your contact, inventory, and bound book. In the contact section, you can easily see entities you have performed a transaction with in the past. From here, you can search for a contact or edit their information. In the inventory section, you can see all firearms currently in your inventory. Like contacts, you can search or edit from this page. Keep in mind that if you have disposed a firearm, it is no longer in inventory and you'll need to find it in the bound book. Last is the bound book page, which is the heart of your compliance records. See your historical transactions here, and remember to ensure this page is completely accurate as you continue your operations.